Dictation will be start in 5 seconds. Start. The bill rightly attaches great importance to selection of people for the clerical cadre because the clerical staff constitute the largest proportion of the total manpower, and it is they who give the banking service to the people. Full stop. Rapid expansion of banking ensures further that many of them will soon get promotion to the officers cadre. Full stop. It has been estimated that every clerk can hope to reach the officers cadre in 10 or 12 years time. Full stop. Every clerk is therefore, a potential officer. Full stop. But to be effective, recruitment should attempt to attract appropriate skills and attitude, and search for suitable talent should not be restricted to the first point of entry in the bank at the clerical level. Full stop. It should also be extended to attract sufficient number of persons who possess educative skill. Full stop. With the functional enlargement of the banks, they require the service of experts, such as agricultural scientists and those who are experts in engineering. Full stop. Recruitment of such personnel should also be considered by the Banking Commission. Full stop. A provision in the bill enables the government to increase the proportion of such junior staff 25% to 33%. Full stop. In my view, it is a welcome provision. Full stop. New para start. There is a provision that a certain percentage shall be reserved for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Full stop. This percentage has to be determined according to the general principles and also the requirements of the banks. Full stop. One provision says that the commission will have certain advisory functions. Full stop. It is an important provision. Full stop. We now have in the government service very difficult problems of promotion and seniority arise. Full stop. It is better that they are sold by a third body rather than the superior officers who have sometimes prejudice against people working under them. Full stop. I hope this provision will be used for that purpose. Full stop. I will not take any more time of the house by relating on the details of the bill. Full stop. I hope the honorable members will accept the basic idea behind the bill. Full stop. The establishment of a commission on the line advised will impart objectivity and impartiality in the recruitment procedures of the banks by prescribing uniform qualifications and eligibility standards applicable in all public sector banks, and thereby help to tap the right type of persons for the banking industry. Full stop. Finally, there is a last clause which says that the government may extend the provisions of this bill to other banks. Full stop. If the Banking Service Commission could cover the recruitment of other commercial banks also, so much the better. Full stop. We will have uniform standards for recruitment of personnel in all the banks. Full stop. With these words, I support the bill. Full stop. No para start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, I am very happy that the honorable member has brought this bill before this honorable house, full stop. Last time, in the year 1999, when the same kind of bill was brought here, though I was present at that time, I could not participate in the debate when the honorable law minister intervened, while appreciating the spirit of the bill, said that it is not possible for him to support this bill on the ground that if we include this in the fundamental rights in Article 19, then it could be enforced at all, full stop. He added that we must make a law which is enforceable, and there is no use in passing all sorts of laws which are not in opposition to implement, that was his line of argument, and I think that was the correct line, full stop. I also appreciate the spirit of this bill, full stop. We know that this is a genetic problem in this country, full stop. It is most unfortunate that 50 years after independence, we are not in a position to provide jobs to our young people, full stop. This is the reason why in many states youngsters are attracted to terrorism, full stop. It is not their fault, it is our fault, because we are not providing jobs to them, we are not providing any assistance to them, at least to life, full stop. That is why these youths are misguided by some people, full stop. Because of economic pressures, they are being attracted to these things and they are joining such movements, full stop. It is a very fundamental issue when we are thinking of terrorism or any other problem, full stop. New para start. It is also a law and order problem, full stop. Ultimately, an economic problem is also a law and order problem, full stop. When people are not satisfied, when people do not get food, clothing and shelter, naturally they will think of other methods of making money, full stop. That is why crimes are going up, full stop. In the very capital city of Delhi, we find every day that crimes like robbery, deosty, murder and other crimes are going up, full stop. So it is very essential for us, for the government, how best we tackle this problem, full stop. There are so many methods, full stop. I am very happy to say that our government have taken several steps in this regard, full stop. When we go through the report of the Rural Reconstruction Ministry, we see that many steps have been taken, full stop. New para start. It is not a problem for the cities alone, because about 70 to 80% of the people live in rural areas, full stop. If you tackle the rural unemployment problem, I think you will be to solve ultimately the problem in the cities also. Why there is overcrowding in the cities, sign of interrogation. It is because the people are not getting any jobs in the village, they are coming to the cities in search of jobs, full stop. That is why there is so much of congestion, housing problem and all sorts of things in the cities, full stop. This is a fundamental issue, full stop. If we improve the condition of the poor people in the rural areas, then we will be tackling the problem in the cities also, full stop. I am happy to say that our government, the previous government started to tackle the problem in the rural sector by the new economic program announced by the Honorable Prime Minister, full stop. We have taken this problem very seriously, particularly in respect of land reform, full stop. Sir, that is the greatest problem facing the rural areas, full stop. Some people are owning thousands of acres, full stop. Of course, after the land reforms, the number of acres is reduced, full stop, but still there are certain problems now, full stop. Some people, in order to avoid this act, distribute land in the name of some people, but actually they are cultivating the entire land as Benami, full stop. This is called Benami, full stop. So that problem is also there, full stop. That is why I urge upon Honorable Law Minister, his predecessor also could not do anything while appreciating the spirit of the bill because it involves rupees 200 crores, full stop. The burden may be more than rupees 200 crores, it may be a few thousand crore of rupees, full stop. With this amount of rupees 200 crores, you will not be able to provide employment to all the people, full stop. This amount will not be sufficient, full stop. New para. The land reforms must be taken up very seriously, full stop. If you tackle this problem, I think you will be able to solve the problem of unemployment to some extent, full stop. The poorer people who are the agricultural laborers, Harijans, and backward people who are the laborers of the landlords, should be given the land, about 4 or 5 acres each, full stop. After giving this land, if you provide water, electricity and other inputs, then I think they will be able, not only to cultivate that land, but also raise their income sufficiently, full stop. In that way, we will be solving this problem, full stop. Apart from that, after the land reforms, when they get 4 or 5 acres of land, these poor people can also promote dairy farms, popularity farms and grow all sorts of vegetable also, full stop.